ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। आर्धातुक प्रत्ययस्य विषये कस्य प्रत्ययस्य विचारं कुर्वन् आस्म गतवर्गे। तुमन् तुमन् तथा त्वा प्रत्यय प्रत्यय संबंधीनि सूत्राणि धातु सूत्राणि संबंध नियमाः। एषा न तु सूत्रकक्षा। इदानीं काञ्चित् धातोः तुमन्तरूपं दृष्ट्वा अनन्तरं त्वाप्रत्यय सम्बन्ध नियमाः अथवा यानि कार्याणि अङ्गकार्याणि वा अङ्गकार्याणि अन्यकार्याणि वर्तन्ते ते तदपि पश्यामः। इदानीं तुमनन्तरूपं धातोः तुमनन्तरूपम् एवं तर्हि भवतु। अन्तिम धातुः अस्माभिः दृष्टः गृ धातुः। गृ धातोः तुमनन्त रूपं गृ धातोः तत्र चत्वारि रूपाणि सन्ति। गरितुं गरीतुं गृ धातोः ऋकारान्त धातूनाम् ईट् आगमः भवति। अत्र ऋकारान्तस्य रेपस्यापि अजादिप्रत्यये परे लकारादेशः भवति इति विकल्पेन तेन गलीतुम् इति रूपद्वयम् अपि दृष्टम्। आहत्य चत्वारि रूपाणि। इदानीं गै धातोः रूपं वदतु। गै धातोः रूपं किं? तुमनन्तरूपं। टेल एनीवन।
गातुम।
गै धातोः तुमनन्तरूपं।
Is it gatum?
यस वेरी
गायतु
गुड। गायतुम। அப்படி தப்பா சொன்னாதான் நமக்கு கரெக்டாக தெரியும். only when you say something wrong then only we will know which is the right form. गायतुम कथं गायतुं भवति? गै धातुः पश्यतु गै धातुः गै प्लस तुमन् गै धातुः सेट् वा अनिट् वा कृपया निष्ठा अस्माकं सञ्चिकां पश्यतु एज् गै ऐ इति एज् एकारान्त धातुः कृपया इट् व्यवस्था इटागम व्यवस्था अस्माकं पत्रिका अस्ति किल डाक्युमेण्ट् पश्यतु एकारान्त अत्र अस्ति वा फालोइंग अजन्त धातुस् आर् सेट् ऊकारान्त ऋकारान्त केचित् कारान्त इकारान्त ईकारान्त ऋकारान्त कुत्र अस्ति एकारान्त धातुः अत्र
नास्ति
एजन्त धातः न सन्ति अतः एच् धातुः एजन्त धातुः अनिट् अतः गै प्लस तुम तेन किं भवति कथं गायत्वं भवति कथं गायत्वं गै प्लस तुम गै इति गै इति किं गै इति औपदेशिक धातोः रूपं गै राइट धातु which is in the dhatu pata so anit dhatu followed by गै इति एज् अन्त धातुः एजन्त धातुः एजन्त धातोः कः प्रत्ययः तुमन् प्रत्ययः अशित् प्रत्ययः अशिति प्रत्यये परे what will happen when followed by a pratyaya which is not a shit when followed by a pratyaya which is not a shit then what will happen that एजन्त धातोः एच स्थाने आकारः आदेशः भवति सरू we have seen that many times before एच स्थाने आ so therefore ga plus tum gatum when ashit pratyaya when a pratyaya which is not a shit follows the upadeshika ejanta dhatus gai glai mlai or any other dhatu okaranta aikaranta ekaranta dhatu then adechah upadeshe ashiti that is a sutrena ejanta sthane akaradeshah I will be replaced by in fact we have seen in karmani prayoga whether the gai plus yak plus te kim rupam you have seen you have to connect with karmani form what we have seen gai followed by what pratyaya followed by what pratyaya followed by a pratyaya which is not a
shit
pratyaya when negative condition when followed by a pratyaya which is not a shit pratyaye ashiti pratyaye pare right so then what will happen age of the dhatu ejanta dhatu will be replaced by akara swarup therefore I plus yak I will become ga then it is akaranta dhatu followed by yak akaranta dhatunam akarasya will be replaced by idyati one sutram is there not that one another one by that a will be replaced by pa become p ga become gi giyate ta pa piyate pa dhato pa to drink panam piyate we say right similarly gai become ga giyate Simple, the same way. In Karmani Prayoga, we have seen Ga plus Ga, Gai will become Ga, and then Gai will become Ga, and then Ga become Gi. That we saw when Aladikit Pratyaya follows the Dusangika Dhatu, then Sta, Ga, Pa, one sutram is there. Some list of dhatus. Then A will be Gumasta. Gumasta, some dhatus are mentioned there. Haladikiti Giti Prataye, Gi Sangika Dhatu, Ma Dhatu, Sta Dhatu, Ga Dhatu, Pa Dhatu, Ha Dhatu. This dhatus, Akara of these dhatus will be replaced by Ikara, Tapa Giyate. Okay, anyway, can remember that. By that it happens. Otherwise, I will write here. Ataha, Echaha, Echaha, At, At Adeshaha, Adadeshaha. I'll write this. This is Sutra. Not Sutra. Sutrartha for our understanding. Then Gras Dhatu. At least Kavarga we can complete. Gras. Gras
Grasitum.
is, yes, Sed Dhatu. How do you know? You can check the list. Tatra Avalim Pashyatu. Sakaranta Dhatu. Gras Astiva Nasti. Atra. Ataha Set Eva. Gras plus
Set.
Tumun. Grasitum. These forms we have to be familiar. Every time we cannot refer to the Avali. Just being familiar with the all important dhatus. Okay. Then Grah Dhatu. That's important dhatu. Grah Dhatu. It's a special dhatu. Grah Dhatu, which is a special dhatu. Grah Hakaranta Dhatu. Tatu Natu Anit. Therefore, it must be said. But something special is the Grah Dhatu, which is mentioned here. Grah Dhatu, that E will be replaced by Dirgaha. Long E. Grahitum. The special rule for that. This will be not here. That will get Itagama. Itagama, and the Itagama will also will become Dirgaha. It's a special rule. That's a rule. Grahol Aliti Dirgaha. Just a note. This is a special rule for Gragdhatu. Maybe not mentioned here. Somewhere else in the somewhere else it must have been mentioned. It's not seen here. The Gragdhatu special case. Gragdhatu is said dhatu. It will take Itagama. But the only thing is Ikarasya stane Dirgaha adesha bhavati Grahitum. So eat agamaha bhavati. Specific sutra when followed by a pratyaya which is not a lit pratyaya. Not in the case of lit. A lit. That condition is not required. Just note. Gragdhatu, Gragdhatoho, eat agamaha bhavati. Itagama, it is said dhatu instead of rasva hit. Eat bhavati. Understand?
Yes.
Then the next dhatu. Glai dhatu. Punaha. Ejanta. Dhatuhu. Dhatuhu rupam. Same thing. Glai will become.
Glatum.
Yes. Same rule. Glai. Iti. Aupadeshika dhatuhu. Followed by Ashiti Prataye Pare. Ejanta stane. Akara adesha bhavati. Tena. Gla iti rupam. Therefore, glatum. Same echaha. Ad adesha. At is akara adesha. Adadesha. Then ghat dhatuhu. Tadapi state eva rupam. Simple.
Ghatitum.
Ghatitum. Then drush. Chakaranta dhatavaha. Etadapi state eva. State. Vadatu.
Dharshitum.
तस्य दर्शितुम् इति रूपम् दर्शितुम् अङ्गकार्यं कृत्वा धर् गुणाङ्गकार्यं दर्शितुम् then gra dhatu gra to smell jigrati same akaranta dhatu but this is don't make it e and this is also like the same thing glai become gla then gai become ga gatum glatum similarly gra becomes ratum only to smell. Okay, chakaranta dhatu also we will do with that, then we'll take the next one. Chakas iti anekach dhatuh अनेकाच धातवः सेट् भवन्ति अतः रूपं चकास् प्लस शत्रशानच् तत्र अस्माभिः दृष्टं चकास् वेदि वेवि चकासितुम् इति अर्थः. टु शैन् छम् धातु प्रायेण आम् आ उपसर्ग आचमनं we say, right? आचम्य same thing. A plus cham plus then form is
achamitum.
धातु cham धातुः मकारान्त धातुः सेट् एव. Therefore what will happen?
Chamitum.
So cham dhatu a cham chami tum. Atra apurvaka cham dhatoh. Apurvaka cham dhatu kutra kasmin gane vartate cham. From that one we get achamya, achamanam. It is in two conjugation, swadi as well as bhuvadi. Bhuvadi ganaha, yadi dhatuh bhavatu. Bhuvadi gane vartate. A plus cham plus tip. Kim rupam vadatu? A plus cham plus tip. What is the form?
Chamati.
Achamati. But it is not achamati.
Chamyate.
Chamyate. Why chamyate? Why chamyate? Achamati iti rupam.
Achamati.
Sham dhatoh shit pratyaya pare tiu klamo chamam shiti iti sutram asti tena cham bhavati. Shiti pratyaya pare. Therefore achamati. दीर्घः तु यदा आम् उपसर्गः भवति तदा एव दीर्घः भवति. यदि अन्य उपसर्गः अस्ति उदाहरणार्थं वि तत्र दीर्घत्वं न भवति. विचमति वि अथवा प्र उपसर्गः प्रचमति इति एव रूपम्. यदि आ अस्ति आ उपसर्गिक चम् धातोः शित् प्रत्यये परे किन्तु अत्र तुमुन् अस्ति अतः दीर्घत्वं न भवति. सेट् धातुः इतः कृत्वा चमितुम् एव रूपम् आचमितुम्. Okay, can note this is important. Achamya cham dhatoh tva pratyayam yojayitva tva यदा उपसर्गः अस्ति तत्र तर्हि तत्र किं भवति लेप् प्रत्ययः भवति. तेन लेप् प्रत्ययः आ प्लस् चम् लेप् इति त्वा प्रत्ययस्थाने लेप् प्रत्ययः भवति. अतः कित् भवति. कित् प्रत्यये परे अनुनासिकस्य लोपः तेन क्षम्यतां तेन लोपः न भवति. लोपः अन्यत्र न तु अत्र. चम् धातोः चिन्तयामि न तु अनुदात धातुः. आचम् प्लस् य आचम्य एव इति रूपम्. आचम्य having sipped the water. आचमनम् also तत्र आ प्लस् cham plus lyut pratyaya. Lyut is u is replaced by ana. Therefore achamanam sipping the water. अच्युताय नमः, हंसाय नमः, गोविंदाय नमः. Same thing. Then char dhatu. Set dhatu hi eva. Rupam kim?
चरितुम.
Charitum. It is charitum. Then charv dhatu. To chew. Set eva.
चर्वितुम.
Charvitum. Then chal dhatu. Simple one. Chal.
चलितुम.
Chalitum. Chi dhatu. Chi. To collect. Chinoti. Swadhikana dhatu. Chi. Anit.
चेतुम.
चेतुम एव न तु चयितुम्. अतः ची इति इकारान्त धातुः. इकारान्त धातुः अत्र अजन्त धातवः सन्ति. सेट् धातवः अत्र. तत्र ची धातुः अस्ति वा? The following ajanta dhatus are said. Chi ikaranta dhatu. Is it there? No. Only shvi and shri. Only two ikaranta dhatus are said. The rest are anit. Therefore, chi plus tuman. Chetum only, no it agama. Angakaryam eva bhavati chetum. Then chit iti dhatuhu chetate chetete chetante iti rupam. Set dhatu. Then
सेट.
font, what is the form? Chet. Chetitum. Set dhatu. Chit plus itum. Chi, che, cheti, chetitum. Chint dhatu. Churadigana dhatu. Chint plus nich. Chiti. Chiti eva dhatuhu. Chiti iti
चिन्तयितुम.
dhatuhu. Nummagamam kurutva chint. Anantaram nich. Tena chinti.
चिन्तितुम.
Chinti plus tumun. Anekach dhatuhu. Itaham bhavati eva. Chinti. Angakaryam kurutva chinte. Ayati sandhi. Chintai. Chintayitum. Understand? Chintayitum. Churadigana dhatuhu. Then chumba dhatu. Say it. Simple.
चुम्बितुम.
All these are just additions. Chur dhatu. Chur dhatu. Churadigana. Choritum. Chur plus nich. Nich pratyam yojayitva. Chori. Chori plus itum.
चोरयितुम.
Chorayitum. Yata chintayitum. Chorayitum. Not choritum. Chorayitum. Right? Don't forget to add nich. Similarly, churna. Churadigana dhatu. Churni. Chur plus. Churna plus nich. Churni. Yes. Churnayitum. Pulverizing powder. Then chest dhatu. Chest.
चेष्टितुम.
Chestitum. Set eva. Chestitum. Then chut dhatu. Chut plus set eva. Chut becomes shit.
चुतितुम.
Chut becomes Jyot plus itum, Jyoti,
चोतितुम.
Jyotitum. Achyuta, not Chuta, Achyuta. Chut means therefore to decay something. Not Chuta, Achyuta, negative. But in the positive meaning. Achyuta Yaramaha. Jyotitum. Okay. Ete Chakaranta Dataha Bhavatu. Then Tvapratyam. Idanim. Tvapratyaya विषये किञ्चित् चर्चां कुर्मः. गतवर्गे अस्माभिः दृष्टं त्वा कुत्र अस्ति प्रत्ययः अत्र एव अस्ति वा? या अत्रैव त्वा प्रत्ययः तस्मिन् अथवा कस्मिन् अर्थे त्वा प्रत्ययः प्रयुज्यते?
अलम खलु प्रतिषेध।
अलं खलु प्रतिषेधः आचां त्वा इति. This is the first one we saw. This meaning त्वा प्रत्ययः भवति upapada when not in, when upapada is there. When this upapada is there, then tva pratyaya will come. This is number one. Okay. Number two. Samana kartrikayoho purva kale. Karta is samana karta.
Same.
Same karta. That's important. Like Tuman only. Samana kartrikayoho purva kale. When the action has been performed by the same person earlier, that action which performed earlier, that will take the pratyaya tva. That will take the pratyaya tva. Then the next one, we have to see. There are so many meanings or sutras are there related to tva, but we will not see all. Not required. These two are important. I think these two are important. Other things are not required now. Udicham mango vitihare tva paravara yoge cha tva samana kartrikayo purvakare visa tva pratyaya abhikshanye namulcha na yadyanam kakshe iti bahuni sutrani santi. Tva pratyaya. We will see when it context comes. But atra etat jnatavim. Tva pratyanta roop krudanta tva. How do you decline? Katam tasya vibhakti roopam bhavati krutva. Akarantah pullingah krutva shabdah. Right?
It is avyayam.
It is avyaya. Tva tosun kasunaha. Important. Don't try to decline. Problem. That is the main first one we have to see. That is tva tosun kasunaha. Tva pratyanta shabdaha avyayam bhavati. I will write here. Tva tosun kasunaha. Other words are there which we are not interested. 1,440. Then vimuktam. Other words are, as I said, not required, but this is tva pratyanta pradantam avyaya sanyakam bhavati. Please note, indeclinable. Tva tosun katosun iti anyah pratyah kasun iti anyah pratyah asti. Okay. Understand? So therefore it is avyam indeclinable. Okay, then let us see further. And one more, okay, that also I will write. That is abhikshanye namulcha. Abhikshanye namulcha iti 3,422. एतदपि पश्यामः. आवीक्ष्य नमुल्. नमुल् इति अन्यः प्रत्ययः तदपि त्वा प्रत्ययवत् प्रयुज्यते. आवीक्ष्णे नमुल् च. आभिक्ष्ण्ये आभिक्ष्ण्ये गम्यमाने समानकर्तृकयोः नमुल् प्रत्ययः भवति. Same. The sutra, the says that पूर्वकाले वर्तमान धातोः नमुल् प्रत्ययः भवति. Then cha is a chakarat tva pratyah api. I'll explain what it is. So the dhatu, as we saw the previous action, the dhatu standing for the first action will get tva pratyaya. Now by this sutra, namul pratyaya also can come. I will write the vritti in Sanskritam and then explain that also. That is, abhikshne gamyamane samana kartrikayoho, that is important. Samana kartrikayoho datvartayoho, datvarta means action. Then purva kale, that first action, datvarte vartamanat dhatoho namul pratyah bhavati. Sutre chakarah asti, chakarat tva pratyah api bhavati. Tva pratyah also can come. Chakarat tva cha bhavati. Abhikshnyam ityukte kim paunah punyam ityartah. Abhikshnya means abhikshnyam, again and again, repeatedly, repetition. Paunah punyam. Paunah punyena, punah punaha karanam. Doing again and again. That's called abhikshnya, repetition. So in that meaning, namal pratyaya will come, tva pratyaya can come. Therefore, tva pratyaya is that is important. So I will write the translation. This rule, the sutra, this rule gets the commonly used sense of tva. That is, two actions are there when action the same and performed by the same person. Samana kartrikayoho. Then purva action will take tva pratyaya. Samana kartrikayoho purva kale. That is the purva kale. That is the preceding sutra. This is 22. That is a 21. So from the preceding sutram, and add what it adds to it a further sense. That further sense is abhikshnya and namul. Further sense of the first action. Now, which action is repeated? First action. Further sense of the first action also being done repeatedly. Abhikshnya. So therefore, I will give example. Udaharanam. You'll understand. For example, Bhuktva vrajati means
Repeated eating.
repeatedly.
Eating again and again.
Yes, having eaten repeatedly, then vrajati he goes for a walk. He comes and eats, eating, and then going for having eaten repeatedly. Vrajati means he moves around or he goes for a walk, he moves around. Or goes for a walk. Vrajati also can mean walk. Having eaten repeatedly. So tva pratyaya, bhuktva. This is tva. Bhuktva vrajati. And this sutra says namul also. Now, let us examine namul. What is namul? whose content is नकारः नित् प्रत्ययः नकारः इत् वर्णः अतः प्रत्ययः नित् प्रत्ययः तस्य रूपम् अम् लकारः अपि इत् उ अपि इत् वर्णः तेन अम् इति रूपम् तो भुक्त्वा भुक्त्वा व्रजति द सेम अत्र कः धातुः भुज् धातुः भुज् धातुः सेट् वा अनिट् वा यू हैव टू चेक जकारान्त धातु त्वा प्रत्ययं योजयित्वा भुज् प्लस त्वा सेट or अनिट्
Yes. Annette.
how do you know? You can see here or
It
you
is in
can
the
see
class.
yes given bhukta
In the
bhukta iti
list.
roopam. It must be there in the list. You can check jakaranta dhatu which is bhuj is here among the 15 dhatus bhuj dhatu api asti eva tatra पंचदश धातूनां मध्ये भुज् धातुः अतः से अनिट् एव भुज् प्लस त्वा देन् चोः कुत्वं कुत्वादेशं कृत्वा भुक् अनन्तरं चर्त्वं भुक्त्वा इति रूपम् अथवा भुक्त्वा भुक्त्वा नमुल् इति अन्यः प्रत्ययः अपि भवति तस्य रूपम् अम् therefore भुज् प्लस नमुल् नमुल् इत्युक्ते भुज् प्लस नल् नित्वात् अंगकार्यं बोः बुबु बो भवति बो बोज् बोज् प्लस भोजम इति रूपम् therefore भोजं भोजं व्रजति भोजं भोजं व्रजति same meaning having eaten repeatedly he goes for a walk right similarly पीत्वा पीत्वा व्रजति suppose if we say similarly
Pitam.
पीत्वा पा धातु okay pa plus twa just now I said when haladikit pratyaya follows the dhatus gu dhatu sta dhatu pa dhatu a becomes e p p plus twa pa akaranta dhatu anit dhatu it is not there in the list pitva therefore pitva gacchati vrajati can say vrajati same then namul will become pa plus namul akaranta dhatu when followed by nit pratyaya then this will get one yuk agama important because akaranta dhatu will get yuk agama akaranta dhatu and dhatu pa dhatu generally when nitti pratyaya pare puk agama bhavati kintu atra vishesha agama bhavati yuk agama it's different therefore pai plus am payam iti rupam therefore payam rajati payam is repeatedly drinking payam त्वा प्रत्ययान्त रूपम त्वा प्रत्ययान्तम अव्यसंज्ञकं भवति व्हाट अबाउट नमुल प्रत्ययान्तं तदपि अव्ययम् एव कृण्मे जन्तः इति सूत्रेण that we have seen kridanta ending with h makaranta is avyayam like tumun is avyayam tumun ending with tum somebody nam ending with nam makaranta right therefore it is avyayam you can note so I will write maybe here a small note already we know that the stems are I'm writing twa no krinme jantaha krin me jantaha means krit pratyaya ending with ejanta kridantaha then makaranta kridantaha अव्ययसंज्ञकाः भवन्ति. They are all अव्यय. संज्ञकाः, meaning of this सूत्रम्. कृण्वेजन्तः इति सूत्रमस्ति, तस्य अर्थः. Okay, what this is 1139. So Makaranta, this is our highlight. Makaranta, Kridantaha, Namul. Therefore, Tuman, Namul, all are Aviyam. Understand? Yes? Okay.
पठित्वा पठित्वा वदति.
Pat plus Namul. Patam it becomes. Okay, let us see. Because he has that. Similarly, another example. Pat plus Tva. Patitva, Patitva, Vrajati. Then Pat plus Num. Pat will become Pat. Upada, Vriddhi. Patam, Patam. Vrajatam is Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam of Patashabda. Patashabda is here. No, Aviya. When there is Abhikshnyam, repetition, then you have to use this. Understand?
Yes.
Understand, Rajadi?
Yes, Guruji.
Now, this is Tva Pratyaya, Nishta Pratyavat. Tva Pratyaya, Nishta Pratyavat. तो क्लिष्टाः भवन्ति. प्रत्यय प्रक्रिया क्लिष्टा न भवति, किन्तु बहवः नियमाः सन्ति. There are many rules are there with regard to निष्ठा, pratyaya. That we will see one by one. So there only it will take some time. The form is easy, but there are many rules that we have to see. So let us see one by one. Angakaryas, etc. Now, let us analyze Tva Pratyaya. Tva, this is very early, it's going to start. Tva Pratyaya. The Angakarya, I'll write here. Angakaryam. Angakarya Sambandha Niyamaha. Tva Pratyaya, yes. Angakarya Sambandha Niyamaha. We are discussing Tva so far. The Angakarya which will happen when Tva Pratyaya follows. Now, what are the properties? Tva, first, in the beginning itself, I should have written. Anyway, Ardhatuka Pratyaya, Valadi Ardhatuka Pratyaya. Therefore,
Itagama comes.
Ittagama Bhavati. Kada
When dhatu is set.
Yada Dhatu said Bhavati Tada. Right? Okay. Then what else? Kitvat
Angakarya.
Angakaryasya Nishedha Bhavati. Kitvat Angakaryasya Nishedha. So Angakarya will not happen. Kitvat Anga Karya Nishedha. This is general, but there are many exceptions and other things are there that we have to see. Okay. Kitvat Angakarya Nishedha. Then, of course, it is a Krit Pratyaya. Valadi Adadhatuka Krit Pratyaya Tena Kridantam Pratipadikam Siddhyati. And Tva Pratyanta is Avyaya Sanyakam Bhavati. Right? That also you can note. Tvantaha अव्ययसंज्ञकः भवति। So कित्वात् अंगकार निषेधः. So therefore first let us see. अंगकार निषेधः is गुण निषेध. गुण इति अंगकार. गुण निषेधः भवति. That is the first point. प्रथम विषयः अंगकार निषेधः गुण निषेधः. उदाहरणार्थं जी प्लस त्वा G plus twa is what?
Jitva.
Yes, G plus twa is jitva. Katham jitva bhavati?
G does
G
not
plus twa
become.
G J na bhavati. Kitvat angakaryam nishedaha bhavati. Right? Angakaryasya nishedaha kitvat. G will not become J.
J.
Yata G plus ta pratyaya. Tatra kim bhavati? Tatra
Jita.
G plus
Jita.
ta pratyaya. Jitaha. यथा जी प्लस त जितः तद्वत् कित्वात् त प्रत्ययः अपि कित् प्रत्ययः त्वा प्रत्ययः अपि कित् एव। यथा जी प्लस त जितः तद्वत् जी प्लस त्वा जित्वा। therefore अतः त त्वा प्रत्ययोः समानत्वं किञ्चित् समानत्वं दृश्यते। गुणनिषेधः भवति। You can see some similarities. Okay. Since we know tha, you can connect B plus twa tadvat B. ईकारान्त धातुः तदपि अनिट् एव। B plus twa B twa. तान्तरूपं
Bhita.
भीतः। तान्तरूपं भीतः. Then who धातुः रूपं who उकारान्त धातु तदपि अनिट् एव। who plus ta utah. Who plus twa utva. Similarly, tadvat bu plus ukaranta dhatu bu plus twa. Bu plus ta rupam. Vadatu kim rupam bu plus ta bhavitah. Bhutah. So bu plus ta is bhutah. Bu plus twa is bhutva. Right? So therefore bu plus twa bhutva. No angakaryam. Bo na bhavati. Into bu plus tuman bhavitum. Then kru plus twa. Kru is important dhatu. Kru anit eva krutva. Yata krutaha. Tadat krutva. Guru plus twa. Guru plus ta vrtaha. Guru plus twa vrtva. Understand?
Yeah.
All these are examples to show that
Angakarya is negated.
अंगकार्य यथा ता प्रत्यांत विषये अंगकार्यः निषेधः भवति तथा अत्रापि अंगकार्यस्य निषेधः भवति। ओके। एते अनिट् धातवः। यदि धातुः सेट् भवति तर्हि किं भवति? धातुः यदि धातुः सेट्। उदाहरणार्थं पश्यतु। That is number 2. That is also guna nisheda. Okay. Number 1 only. Guna nisheda only we are seeing. Tatra ete anit dhatavah. Ete sarve anit dhatubhyah. Anit dhatubhyah prapratyam yojayitva rupani. Set pratyah targi kim bhavati? Set dhatubhyah त्वा प्रत्ययं योजयित्वा तत्र किं रूपम् उदाहरणार्थं यथा यथा धातुः अस्ति नु इति धातुः नु धातु will become धात्वादेः नोनः by that nu. Okay, nu plus twa. Nu plus twa is set dhatu, therefore nu plus itva. Kim rupam nu plus itva.
Nuvitva.
Katam nuvitva. Nu plus it is not a nu. I think Aupadeshika dhatu nu dhatu. I don't think so. I think I did some mistake. 1 minute. Let me check if I need dhatu nu. Yeah, there is no dhatu. I think it must be nu dhatu. That is dhatu nu is the nu. Nauti, stauti. Yeah. Okay. Okay, it's not nu dhatu. It is nu dhatu. Aupadeshika dhatu nu. Nu plus tva. Then Datvadehe Aupadeshika dhatu nu tasya Adima nakarasya dantya adesha bhavati nu plus itva. Now what will happen? Itva.
Nu plus
Nu plus itva. Nu plus itva. Will Angakarya will happen. Nu will become no. Angakarya se nishedaha. That is one Angakarya. But there are other Angakaryas are there. When a dhatu ending with, if I say, I think you will remember probably. You have seen in Shatranta. Shatrante asmabhi drishtam. Kim eshaha niyamaha. Kaha ajadi pratyaya pare ikaranta. Ukaranta. Yes, very good. What is that?
So nu becomes nava.
Nu becomes
Uva.
That is shaknuvanti. That we saw. Varnartham shak, if you remember. Otherwise you can do. Shak plus shnu plus anti. Yadyapi shnu shit, therefore shnu shaknu plus anti ajadi pratyaya pare. Here it is that ukaranta anga. For in that context we have seen not dhatu ending with ikara ukara or shnu, particularly shnu pratyanta, then followed by ajadi kit pratyaya, ajadi kit or ngit pratyaya, then when it is preceded by a non-conjunct, it will be replaced by, when it is preceded by a conjunct, it will be replaced by uv adesha, therefore becomes shaknuv, therefore shaknuvanti iti rupam. When preceded by a conjunct. When preceded by a non-conjunct, tadartham chi plus shnu plus anti. Chi plus shnu is chinu. Anti.
Chinoti.
Ajadi kiting iti pratyaya pare. This is also u is replaced by not u, just yan sandhi. Therefore chinvanti iti rupam, right? See the difference. Ajadi pratyaya pare. Ukaranta angasya. The ukara is due to shnu. Similarly, ajadi pratyaya pare, this here also ukara. But the difference is atra ukarat purvahat sanyoga varnau staha atra natu sanyoga varnaha asti. Ataha atra uv adesha bhavati iti asmabhih drishtam. तदेव अत्रापि इकारान्त उकारान्त धातोः अजादिप्रत्यये परे यदा अङ्गकार्यं न भवति तत्र एतत् कार्यं भवति एव. That is, nu will be replaced by, this is the dhatu, followed by ajadi kit pratyaya. Therefore, nu will be replaced by nu. Therefore, nu plus itva, you get nu vitva iti rupam. Understand? Similarly, you can see the example. Any ukaranta dhatus, there are many ukaranta dhatus. Set dhatus you can take. In fact, in the list it was there, set dhatus, some ukaranta dhatus, ukaranta, yu dhatu, udaharanartham. Tatra eva asti, yu dhatu, the list it is there. Yu dhatoho rupam, set dhatuhu. We can take dhatu, first, second conjugation, which is set. On one conjugation it is on it, okay, that will leave it. Second conjugation it is set, therefore u plus twa. Rupam kim, u plus twa is, what's the form? U plus twa. U is dhatu which is here. I'm taken from this avali. U karanta. Kati dhata, 7 dhatus are that we can do. The nu dhatu I took, no stove. U mishrane adadi parasmaipadi dhatu. Therefore u plus twa, set. U plus itva.
Yavitva.
Angakaryam na bhavati. Then
Yuvitva.
tasya rupam bhavati. Tatra dhatuhu set eva. Itagama nishedha bhavati va. Okay. 1 minute. Maybe this is the dhatu is got some special rule. Yu dhatoho aupadeshika rupam drashtavya. What is aupadeshika rupam? Okay. Yu dhatu, leave it. You can take some other dhatu. Maybe you can do later. You will take some of the dhatus. Otherwise, I'll give some other examples. Karanta dhatoho rupam itva set dhatu. U is yutva. Okay. You can see the list here. Yu dhatu, ru, rukshnu, and nukshu. Okay. Yu dhatu is okay. In one conjugation, it is here. It is set. Another conjugation, it is on it. Let me check this. Something is there. We can take. I will take ukaranta dhatus. All ukaranta dhatus are set. So this dhatu I will check and tell you because the form is yutva. What speciality I have to check that. But I will take another example. Ukaranta dhatu. Like yata nu tadvat nu under dhatu is there. Nu tasya rupamapi nu plus tva becomes u will become u tasya rupamapi nuvitva iti rupam. There is a dhatu which is nu. Aupadeshika rupam is nu. That form is that also nuvitva. Similarly, other ukaranta dhatu. All ukaranta dhatus are said. Some ikaranta dhatus alone are said. Some this particular u is something we'll see. All other dhatus we will do later. Then du dhatu. Du plus ukaranta dhatu. Du plus itva. Now this will be replaced by u. Therefore, dub dubitva iti rupam. Dhatu is dubitva. So therefore, this dhatu said dhatu, what happens is yang uvang adeshah bhavati. Yang uvang adeshau bhavataha. Ajadi ajadi kiting iti pratyaye pare. We will see more example later. I'll give more example. Okay. There is another dhatu is there. There we have an option. There is a dhatu urna dhatu. Urnu. Dhatu is urnu. Urnu plus tva. Here it is vikalpena itakama. So urnu plus itva. This is not a set. This is not only set. Anit also. Therefore urnu. Urnu vitva iti rupa. Urnu vitva. Okay. You will see many dhatus like that one by one, but just general rule. One example I think is enough. Then yanadesha, similarly, set adesha yada yan adesha bhavati. One example for that. With that we will stop. Other examples you will see. Set dhatubhyaha yanadesha natu yan sandhihi kintu angakarya. Yanaha adesha yata chinbanti tatra bhavati tadvat. Udaharanartham atra yanadeshah kutra bhavati. Okay. For example, yanadeshah to give the example. What example I'll give? 1 minute, let me check. The way we down. Example. Devitva tuman pratyam yojayitva tasya rupam. Okay. Devitva. Let me try one example. I'll try, but I'm not sure whether it will work here. Waving, it's already waving dhatu, waving plus tva, vevi dhatu, anekaj dhatu hoyeva, vevi plus tva, tena kim bhavati, already dirgha. So dirgha, ikaranta, it will not vevigitva. Something else happens here. This is another form. Okay, this said dhatu bhyahena deshaha, that example I'll give later. The examples are there, but some other examples are there. It's not tva example, maybe tva example not possible. Okay, the same baby example I take. Baby plus, for example, lyut pratyaya. Lyut pratyaya. So baby plus lyut will be, you will be replaced by ana. Now, but baby plus ana. Ana is Ajadi pratyaya set Ajadi, it will not negate Angakarya. It will not negate here. Okay, sorry. This example I'll give later. Don't worry about that. Any example is there, I will give. Otherwise, we'll see. Okay, I think we'll stop here. So this is number one. This is number one, Guna Nishedaha. Then number two is Yang Uvang Adesha. That is, can take it as number two. Number three, just to note it, number three, Yanadesha. Application, we will see when the context comes. If it is applicable, we will apply. Otherwise, it's not there. Then number four, that we will see. That's clear. That is, Rikaranta Dhatus will take Rikaranta, that we know. Rikaranta Dhatunam, Rikaranta Dhatunam, Kimbhavati Ir Adeshaha. That we will see. Ir Adeshaha. Ir Adesham Krutva Anantram Tva Pratyam Yojaniyam. Udaharanartham. Just one example. Pru plus Tva. Pru plus Tva. Pru is. Okay. Pru is another example. Udoshtya Purvasya. Or Shru example is better. The example we will see. Shru. Shru plus Tva. So therefore here Ru will be replaced by Ir. Therefore becomes Shir. Shir plus Tva. Shir plus Tva. Then this Repa followed by Hal and the preceding letter is Ik. Therefore preceding E will be replaced by Dirgha Shir. Shir Tva iti Rupam. This Sandhi we have seen. Repanta Vakaranta Dhatoho Purvasya Ikahastani Dirghadesha Bhavati Aladi Prataya Pare. When Al Prataya, Ala Prataya beginning with Al follows, that Repanta Vakaranta Dhatoho Purva Ikaha Dirghavati. Yata, we have seen already Div Dhatu, fourth conjugation, Div plus Shan plus T. What happens? Div is Vakaranta Dhatu, followed by a Prataya beginning with Yakara, a consonant. Therefore, Upada becomes Dirgha, therefore Divyati. Same thing here also, that rule. Sandhi rule that is. And here is Rikaranta Dhatunam Iradesha Bhavati. Udoshti Purvasya Uradesha. That we will see. We'll see in the next class. Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. धन्यवादः
धन्यवाद गुरुजी
धन्यवादः गुरु